Did you see how she sold that cake? I think I'm going to be a police there. I'm a beekeeper. Now I have 2 work jobs to choose from. If I'm a police there, I can sell polices and run around.
Wally, get out of Budgie's cage. You're too big for their cage. Well, you're not too big, but still, get out.
See? There it is. Yeah. I wonder what's up. Thanks for coming so quickly, Pat. The trains are backing up. We're about to overflow. Stay right there, Mr. Burns. Look at all this cool stuff. It must be neat to be a plumber. All those tools and parts.
Is he playing with your favorite toy, Gandalf? That's not right. That's just not right. Wally, come on now. Get out of there. What is wrong with your cage, Mr. Wally? You've got more toys than they... Well, probably not more toys, but... Okay, well, Gandalf, none of that funny business again. Hey. Stop that pecking. All right, you have to get out. He doesn't want you.